Welcome back guys to my channel, and as promised I'm continuing with the Zodiac nail art series. So it's Gemini season going on right now, so I tried the Gemini nail art, and also this is my second video of my Zodiac nail art series. So the first one was Taurus nails, which I uploaded last month. If you have missed it, then I'll give the link in the cards or in the description section below, so make sure you check that out. And in my previous video, which was on nail art brushes, I also said that I'll explain the usage of the brushes in my videos. So in this video I have used 3 of the tools, so to know which one I used and how to use them, please keep on watching. So here are my base colors. For the pointer and the pinky fingers, I will be using the gradient technique. For that, I'll put the colors on a piece of sponge, and I am using pink and light blue for the gradient. Do let me know in the comments if you want to see a separate and a detailed video for gradient technique and how to do them and how to do different types of gradient. After dabbing the colors with the sponge, it's very important that you use a generous layer of top coat to smoothen out the gradient. Please take a note of the brush I am showing you here. I had shown this to you in my previous video as well, and I told that it is used for lettering, so I am using this for the same purpose only in this video, and I'll write the word Gemini with this brush. Now I am using this particular brush, which is of short length, and the bristles are also thin and short, so it gives precision to the design, and also because the length of the brush is small, therefore it gives you good control over the brush. So I will be using this brush only for the rest of the design. So I am starting by drawing the Gemini symbol with black nail paint and this particular brush, and then I'll go on to draw the twins that Gemini symbolizes with white nail paint and this brush. So my white nail paint has become a little clumpy, so it's getting a little difficult to draw the lines, but if you're using a fresh nail paint, or if you're using white acrylic paint or any acrylic paint, which are quite thinner than the nail polishes, so I think they will give a better result. Now I'm using black nail paint to accentuate the features. I'm drawing the lines, the eyes and the mouth. And you can see I've drawn the other twin on my middle finger, but I have just flipped its face. Now the best part of the Zodiac nails is here, which is the Zodiac Constellation. So for that I am dabbing some light blue color with a sponge on a background of dark blue color, and on it I'm going to sponge some white paint as well, and finally I'm going to top everything off with a glittery top coat. And see the finish, it looks so glittery and starry, and just the perfect galaxy background for my Zodiac Constellation. Honestly, I love this glitter coverage by the glitter top coat of nail twins by Reliance Trends. I highly recommend it. I have never seen such a finish in any other drugstore brand. And the most interesting and my most favorite part is drawing the constellation. So I checked the image from Google, and out of my memory I am drawing the constellation. So I hope it turns out good. Our third and final tool for this design is this mini dotting tool, and with it I am going to draw the stars using silver nail paint on the junction points in the constellation. So guys, this is the entire look, and yeah, I succeeded in Gemini nails, at least I think so. Anyway, so this is for you all awesome Geminians out there, and if you wanna see more zodiac nails or more nail art, different types of nail art, then stay tuned to my channel. Hit the subscribe button and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like, comment and share this video, and give me your valuable feedbacks on what other designs I can do, what other nail art tips or tricks if you want to know. So yeah, signing off for today. I'll see you next week again, so take care, have a great week ahead, and bye bye.